Hello, this is your friend Coding with Cat. Let's create shortcuts on the desktop when I click a button. This is part 2. You should finish part 1 before starting part 2. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Let's take a look at the example. I've already completed the second and the third activity. I add a button to go to the second activity in the main activity. The UI of the second activity is the same as the main activity. There is a text view to show a value from the shortcut by value passing in the third activity. So the order is from main to second to third. Now I want to go to the second activity and the third activity when the app starts. So I need to add shortcuts for the second activity and the third activity. Let's give the shortcut some labels. Pass value with a bundle. The utility is made in part 1. Get value from the shortcut via the bundle. Oh, it should be third activity here. Let's test. Open the target activity by shortcut. When you click back, it will back to the main activity, no matter how deep the target activity is. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.